Hello, real estate innovators. Welcome back. Ever dealt with an online backlash or a sudden wave of negative reviews? Today, we're spotlighting crisis management with ChatGPT as our sidekick to tackle reputation management in real estate. From a single bad review to a full-blown PR storm, you'll see how a clear strategy plus AI-driven insights can help you regain trust and credibility. Let's get started. We've all seen how a single incident, a botched transaction, a negative news story can spread like wildfire. That's the crisis, rapidly eroding trust, leading to lost clients and lower brand standing. Our plan? ChatGPT helps us define the issue, sort out immediate actions, and outline a roadmap for tackling deep-rooted problems. Key steps: identify potential issues, like poor service or an agent's mishandled sale. Set a team, PR, senior leadership, and legal counsel to coordinate. Transparent communication: apologize and own up rather than going silent or blaming others. Root cause fix: dig into what caused the crisis, not just the symptoms. We anticipate negative social media buzz, existing clients jumping ship, or possibly legal action if trust erodes too far. With ChatGPT analyzing past crises in similar firms, we get risk indicators like escalation on social channels, countered by quick empathetic responses, loss of existing clients, softened by personal outreach, special loyalty perks. Legal liability: we consult with counsel for compliance and clarity. Staff morale drop: we hold team meetings, reaffirming vision and new processes to prevent repeats. How do we know a meltdown is looming? ChatGPT can be set to anticipate spikes in negative reviews, such as catching 25% in a month. Social media backlash: a 200% jump in negative mentions. Direct complaints: 15 unresolved in a month. Once triggered, the team springs into action and can use ChatGPT to quickly write a public apology. Short, sincere statement owning the mistake. Client outreach: personal calls, priority resolution for impacted clients. Conduct hyperfast social media scraping, such as scouring platforms for new grievances. Short-term fixes: expand staff or tech solutions to handle immediate demands. Imagine Sunrise Homes Agency faced a wave of negative press after a major sale fiasco. They used ChatGPT to not only manage immediate fallout, but also plan the comeback. Team meeting: found the root cause in outdated processes. Client engagement: called each affected client, offered discounts or refunds. Public reassurance: released a transparent statement about new SOPs and staff training. Long-term gains: with the crisis subdued, they expanded marketing, focusing on newly learned best practices. In 6 months, Sunrise Homes reported a 20% bump in positive reviews and reclaimed trust among high-value clients. We finish with a premortem analysis. ChatGPT imagines worst-case scenarios if, say, a second wave of complaints emerged. Devil's advocate mode tests our plan for blind spots. We refine monitoring tools, upgrade for faster alerts, communication scripts, simpler, more empathetic messages, staff training, quarterly refreshers, real-time scenario drills. Crisis management isn't a one-and-done fix. It's an evolving process that gets stronger each time we adapt. Crisis management, empowered by ChatGPT, gives you both speed and depth when reputation's on the line. Ready to transform a PR disaster into a trust-building opportunity? Drop your thoughts below. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more AI-driven insights. And check out my book, AI-Powered Strategic Thinker 3, for a deeper dive on harnessing ChatGPT. Let's safeguard and even boost your real estate brand, no matter what crisis comes your way.